Good morning, my dear children. Sai Ram, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Now, children, today we are going to do conversation, and our today's topic is at the railway station. At the railway station. Now, children, we have already done this chapter in two parts. Okay. Now, today we will do revision of the topic at the railway station. Okay. Now, children, in today's class we learn about what are the things we see at the railway station. Okay. So, let's start. So, the first thing we see at the railway station is passenger train. Passenger train. P A S S E N G E R. Passenger. Passenger. T R A I N. Train. Passenger train. Passenger train. Yes. Now the next thing is engine. Engine. E N G I N E. Engine. Engine. Yes. Now the next thing is guard. Guard. G U A R D. Guard. Guard. We see guard at the school also, no? Yes? Yes. Similarly there is a guard in train also. Okay? Guard. Guard. Yes. Now the next thing is indicator. Indicator. I N D I C A T O R. Indicator. Indicator. Okay? Indicator. In that it is written that the name of the train, at what time the train will leave or the train will come. Okay? Indicator. Indicator. Yes. Now, what else we see at the railway station? We see passengers. Passengers. P A S S E N G E R S. Passengers. Passengers. Passengers travel in train. Yes. Passengers. Now the next thing is luggage. Luggage. L U G G A G E. Luggage. Luggage. When we travel, we carry luggage, no? Yes. Luggage. Luggage. Yes. Now children, who carries our luggage? Who carries our luggage? Porter. Porter. P O R T E R. Porter. Porter. Porter carries our luggage. Porter carries our luggage. Porter. Porter. Yes. Now the next thing is book stall. Book stall. We see book stall at the railway station. Yes. B O O K. Book. S T A L L. Stall. Book stall. Book stall. Book stall. Book stall. Yes. Now the next thing is clock. We see a big clock at the railway station. Yes. Clock. Clock. C L O C K. Clock. Clock. With the help of clock, we see time. Now the next thing is bench. We see bench at the railway station. Yes. B E N C H. Bench. People sit on bench. Bench. Yes. Now the next thing is food stall. Food stall. F O O D. Food. S T A L L. Stall. Food stall. Food stall. Yes, you can see food stall here. Yes, people are eating here, no? Yes, food stall. Food stall. We see food stall at the railway station. Yes. Now, the next is ticket checker. Ticket checker. Now, children, whenever we travel in trains or buses, so we have to purchase ticket. Okay? Yes. So, who checks our ticket? Ticket checker checks our ticket. Okay? Ticket checker. T I C K E T. Ticket. Ticket. C H E C K E R. Checker. Ticket checker. Ticket checker. Yes, ticket checker checks our ticket. Yes, ticket checker. Yes. Now children, again we will revise, okay? So the first thing we see at the railway station is passenger train. Passenger train. Next is engine. Engine. Now next is guard. Guard. Now the next is indicator. Indicator. Now the next is passengers. Passengers. Now luggage. Luggage. Next is porter. Porter. Next is book stall. Book stall. Now the next is clock. Clock. Now the next is bench. Bench. Next, food stall. Food stall. Next is ticket checker. Ticket checker. Yes. Now children, we will discuss some question answers. Yes. So the first question is, what is a railway station? What is a railway station? Do you know? Yes. A railway station is a place where trains stop for passengers to get on and get off. A railway station is a place where trains stop for passengers to get on and get off. To get on and get off. A railway station is a place where trains stop for passengers to get on and get off. Okay? Yes. Now the next question is, which trains do we see at the railway station? Which trains do we see at the railway station? Yes, we see local trains and long distance trains. We see local trains and long distance trains. We see local trains and long distance trains. Yes. Now again we will revise, okay? Yes. First one is, what is a railway station? What is a railway station? Answer. A railway station is a place where trains stop for passengers to get on and get off. A railway station is a place where trains stop for passengers to get on and get off. Yes. Now the next question is, which trains do we see at the railway station? Which trains do we see at the railway station? Answer is, we see local trains and long distance trains. We see local trains and long distance trains. Yes. Now the next question is, what is a porter also called? What is the second name of a porter? Yes? Coolie. Yes. A porter is also called a coolie. A porter is also called a coolie. A porter is also called a coolie. Yes. Now the next question is, how do porters help us? How do porters help us? Porters help us by carrying our luggage. Porters help us by carrying our luggage. Porters help us by carrying our luggage. Yes. Now the next question, who drives the train? Who drives the train? Yes, the motorman drives the train. The motorman drives the train. The motorman drives the train. Yes. Now children, again we will revise, okay? Third question is, what is a porter also called? What is a porter also called? A porter is also called a coolie. A porter is also called a coolie. Now the next, how do porters help us? How do porters help us? Porters help us by carrying our luggage. Porters help us by carrying our luggage. Yes. Now the next, who drives the train? Who drives the train? The motorman drives the train. The motorman drives the train. Yes. Now children, you have to learn all the question answers and you have to revise the topic at the railway station. Okay children? Now children, that's all for today. Be safe at your home. Thank you and Sairam.